Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about the introduction to statistics, specifically origin and development, the importance and use of statistics, types of statistics, and the different types of graphs used in statistics. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads in this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about Introduction to Statistics. Statistics is a science which deals with the methods in the collection, gathering, presentation, and analysis and interpretation of data. So pag sinabing statistics, ito yung process ng pagko-collect ng data, pag-gather mo ng data, then after mo mag-gather, you need to analyze, interpret the data, and then you will present them. No? You will present them using different graphs, tables, or maybe any kind of representation. Okay? So, pag ganun, ang tawag doon ay statistics. Yung sinabi kong collection, gathering, presentation, analysis, and interpretation, those are the different steps that we're going to use in doing or in computing and doing statistics. Actually, sa statistics, gumagamit din siya ng scientific method. Kung familiar pa rin kayo sa scientific method, di ba? Parang, una, gagamit ka muna ng observation, tapos mag-hypothesis ka, and then until such time nagagawa ka ng conclusion. So, parang ganun din yung statistics. Alright. Now, let's first talk about the origin and development of statistics. So, paano ba nag-umpisa ang statistics? As early as 3500 BC, statistics had been used in Egypt in recording the number of sheep or cattle owned, the amount of grain produced, and the number of people living in a particular city. So, noong 3500 BC pa lang daw, ginagamit na ang statistics ng mga Egyptians, no, sa pagbibilang ng mga sheep or cattle na pagmamayari ng isang tao, yung kinita nila sa mga harvest nila sa mga grains, at saka yung kung ilang tao yung naninirahan sa isang lugar, yung census na tinatawag. Noong 3800 BC naman sa mga Babylonian na ngayon ay ang Babylonian ngayon ang Iraq, no? Sa Babylonian government used statistics to measure the number of men under the king's rule and the vast territory that he occupied. In 700 BC, the Roman empires naman used statistics by conducting registration to record population for the purpose of collecting taxes. So, ang mga Roman people noong 700 BC, they use statistics kapag sa registration para alam nila kung ilan yung mga tao magbabayad ng mga buwis. Okay? So ngayon, pag-aralan naman natin kung sino-sino yung mga important persons in statistics. No? Ito yung mga mahalagang tao sa larangan ng statistics. Sa una is si John Grant. Si John Grant ay nabuhay noong 1620 to 1674. Siya yung nag-create na or nag-records ng bills of mortality that include information about the number and causes of deaths in the city of London. So, yung bills of mortality, kung ilan yung namamatay taon-taon, so siya yung parang nag-create nun. Next is si Moore. Si Moore ay nabuhay noong 1773. Siya yung nakadiscover ng equation ng normal distribution. Yung normal distribution, hindi natin pag-aaralan sa subject na to. Maaaring ma-encounter mo to sa ibang mga lesson mo pagdating ng araw, pero ang normal distribution ay isang mahalagang bagay sa statistics, lalo na sa tinatawag nating hypothesis testing. Okay? Next is si Adolf Quetelet. Si Adolf Quetelet ay nabuhay noong 1796 to 1874. Siya yung tinatawag nating father of modern statistics. Okay? Next, si Carl Person. Si Carl Person naman ang nakadiscover ng probability theory of regression and correlation. Si Carl Person, siya yung nakapag-discover ng regression at correlation. Ano ba yung dalawang ito? Ito yung parang titignan yung relationship ng dalawang bagay kung kung ito ba ay may ang tawag dito, connection doon sa isang variable. Halimbawa, yung pang pagiging mababa ng bata sa mathematics achievement niya, sa mga grades niya sa math ay dahilan ba ng broken family? Ganon. So, meron mga tinitignan ng mga variables. So, yun, ang nag-create ng regression tsaka correlation ay si Carperson. So, etong regression and correlation ay hindi nyo pa sakali ngayon na hindi nyo pa pag-aaralan. Pero pagdating ng araw sa Statistics and Probability sa grade 11, ay pag-aaralan nyo na ang topic na ito. Another is si Sir Ronald Fisher. Siya yung father of statistics. Okay? Yung kanina, modern statistics. Si Ronald Fisher ang nag-create ng F-tool in Inferential Statistics and for Experimental Design. So, yung F-tool, ito yung ginagamit para malaman yung difference ng tatlong experimental study. Okay, or tatlo o higit pa, no? Pwede rin dalawa, pero usually hindi na ginagamit yung F-tool kapag dalawa. Ibang statistical treatment ang ginagamit kapag ganon. Okay. Next naman si George Gallup. Si George Gallup, he was an instrumental in making statistical polling common tool in political campaigns. So, si George Gallup, siya yung nakapag-discover ng statistical polling. Ito yung kapag binibilang yung number ng mga pabor kapag may mga election, no? Number ng tao na pabor sa halimbawa, pabor siya kay President Duterte, o sino yung pabor sa isang kandidato. So, yung tawag doon ay polling. No? At si George Gallup ang nag-create ng statistical polling. Now, pag-usapan naman natin yung gamit or use of statistics. So, sa education, ginagamit ang statistics to assess students' performance and correlate factors affecting teaching and learning processes to improve quality of education. So, sa education, ginagamit ang statistics para ma-improve pa yung quality education. So, sa papaanong paraan? So, maaaring pinag-aaralan nila yung performance ng mga bata, kung sila ba ay magaling, at ano yung mga factors na nakaka-apekto doon sa kanilang performances at paano nila ito ma-improve. Sa psychology naman, ginagamit ang statistics to determine attitudinal patterns that causes and affect the misbehavior. So, sa psychology, ginagamit ang statistics para malaman yung behavior ng isang tao, bakit ganito yung nagiging cause ng kanyang behavior, ano ba ang nagiging dahilan, ayun, mga factors na ganun, okay? So, sa psychology, kasi alam naman natin na pag sinabing psychology, it's more on mind, sa isip, di ba? So, sa isip, sa kilos, sa iniisip ng tao, sa pag-iisip. So, it's all about psychology. So, psychology, study of mind. So, more on doon nga sa pag-iisip niya kung bakit siya nagiging or bakit ganito yung iniisip niya, ano yung mga nagiging cause, mga ganon. Bakit nagiging pasaway siya, mga ganon. So, meron tayong specific way or tool na ginagamit dyan at yun ay ginagamit sa psychology. Next, business and economics. So, validate or test a claim or inferences about a group of people, object, or a series of events. Sa business and economics, ginagamit ang statistics para ma-validate yung mga pabor doon sa product o hindi pabor doon sa product para malaman kung tumataas ba ang benta o hindi. So, yan. Actually, yung simple counting, yung magbibilang ka lang, that's already an statistics. Medicine. Sa medicine, ginagamit din ng statistics. It collects information about patients and disease to make decision about the use of new drugs and treatment. So, halimbawa, sa COVID-19, so ginagamit ng statistics sa pagbibilang ng mga tao, ilan yung taong nagkakasakit, ano yung mga usual na symptoms, ilan na yung gumaling, tapos ano yung nagpagaling sa kanila, mga ganon. So, and also sa drugs, kung gagamitin nila itong gamot na to, ilan yung gagaling at ilan yung hindi gagaling. So, ginagamit din sa medicine ng statistics. Meteorologists, it finds pattern in the weather and prediction about what future weather will be like. So, halimbawa, di ba, si Mang Tani kapag nagdi-discuss siya or nagpe-present siya sa 24 oras na sa meteorologist, sa 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 weather, 'di ba? Nasasabi niya na kung anong oras uulan, kailan siya magla-landfall yung bagyo, mga gano'n. Kung maaraw ba sa kinabukasan at gaano katagal bago yung bago ang tawag dito, gaano katagal yung init ng araw, mga gano'n. And then bago maging makulimlim yung panahon, so nape-predict nila, no? So kasi nakakakita sila ng mga patterns. Now, importance of the study of statistics. So, meron din siyang importansya. Una, it is a way to more easily understand a certain topic or presentation. Kasi, pag may statistics, madali mo maintindihan yung mga bagay-bagay. No? Lalo na yung mga numbers. Kasi pag may number siya, kapag meron kang number, ibig sabihin, meron kang mako-conclude. No? Meron kang mako-conclude kasi yung number yung magdidikta dun sa conclusion mo. Okay, unlike kasi kung mga words yan, so hindi mo pa kasi sure kung tama yung sinabi niya o hindi. Pero kung number yan, yung number na mismo yung nagdidikta. Kung ito ba ay may different or walang different. So it makes the gathered data easily to compute, especially in survey. Ideas can easily be analyzed and studies can be given conclusion at once, and answers questions can be easily defined. So, there are two fields of statistics. So, meron tayong dalawang field. Una, descriptive, at saka pangalawa, inferential. So, magkaiba ito, okay? Usually, in descriptive, pag-aaralan nyo to sa grade 8, yan. Sa grade 8, grade 8, grade 10, yan. And inferential, pag-aaralan yung inferential sa bandang grade 11 na. Okay, so descriptive. Ano ba yung pinagkaiba ng descriptive tsaka inferential? Pag sabing descriptive statistics, it is concerned methods of collecting, organizing, and presenting data appropriately and creatively to describe or assess group characters, summarizing the data. So, pag sabing descriptive, parang sinasummarize mo lang yung data. So, usually, mga mean, median, mode lang yan. Okay, yung kukunin mo lang yung average. Ayan, kunyari, 5 yung bata. So, yung 5 bata, kukunin mo yung mga grades nila. Tapos, i-divide mo lang, i-add mo yung 5 grade nila, tapos i-divide mo by 5 kung ilan sila. Tapos, makukuha mo na yung average. Okay? So, ganun lang yung descriptive. Now, usually, ang descriptive, it's more on just collecting, organizing, and presenting data na kung saan sinasummarize mo lang yung data na meron ka. Well, sa inferential naman, ito yung magdodraw ka ng conclusion like decision, prediction, or generalizations about the data set dun sa na-compute mong data. Na usually sa inferential, meron kang hypothesis testing na ginagawa. Okay? Itong hypothesis testing na to nakadepende kung anong klaseng statistical treatment ang gagamitin mo. Okay, so wag na natin masyadong i-detalye ito kasi ang inferential medyo malaliman ng discussion dito. Okay? Next, important terms in statistics. Ito yung mga important terms na makikita nyo sa statistics. Una, meron tayong population, samples, and census. So, anong pinagkaiba ng population? Anong pinagkaiba ng census? Anong pinagkaiba ng samples? So, pag sabing population, it is the complete collection of elements, scores, people, animals to be studied. Pag sabing population, usually kabuuan ang pinag-uusapan dito. Yung kabuuan, yung number ng tao. Halimbawa, number ng tao sa buong school. Sa buong school, we call them population. Pero kapag pumili ka lang doon sa mga section, tapos yung mga section na napili mo, sila yung bibilangan mo ng number of students, sample ang tawag doon. Census naman, it is a collection of data from every element drawn from a population. So, halimbawa, nag-drone ako na, kunyari, nasa isang lugar ako, halimbawa, Santa Maria, ang pangalan ng lugar na pinuntahan ko. So, dito sa Santa Maria, masyado siyang malawak. So, meron siyang, sabihin na natin, 20 barangay, okay? 20 barangay. So, pipili lang ako, let's say, 5 barangay doon. Tapos, pupuntahan ko sila at magtatanong ako dun sa mga important details na kailangan ko. So, ang tawag doon ay census. Ang census yung pagkuha mo ng detalye. Yung sa halimbawa sa mga bahay, sa mga bahay-bahay, pupunta ka para tanungin kung ilan yung mga taong nakatira dun sa bahay na yon, ilan, sino yung may pinakamatanda, ilan yung mga anak, sino yung may trabaho, sino yung walang trabaho. Okay? While sample naman, it is a collection of data from every element drawn from a population. So, pag sinabing sample, pag sinabing sample, yung kukuha ka lang ng specific number. Okay? Parang itong mga to ay konektado sa population muna, tapos kukuha ka ng sample. Sa mga sample, gagawa ka ng census. Okay? Ngayon, meron tayong types of samples. Pag sabing samples, meron tayong tatlong uri. Actually, maraming uri ng sampling method or samples. Pero ipapakita ko lang itong mga to. So, meron tayong random or simple random samples, cluster sample, tsaka convenience sample. Okay, pero meron ba tayong iba't iba like yung stratified, systematized, sample, multi-stage, multi-level or multi-stage yata ang tawag doon, sample, madami, purposive, etc. So, ito na yung tatlong pe-present ko sa inyo. Okay, kasi usually ito yung nakikita natin sa mga lugar. Halimbawa sa SM, pupunta kami, mga nagbibigay ng mga brochure, 'di ba? Lalo na dun sa mga bagong tayong mall. So meron silang binibigay na parang brochure doon sa mall o doon sa store, tapos nandoon yung mga products nila. So, convenience ang tawag doon. Okay? Ang random, ito yung pipili ka lang. Halimbawa, meron akong pangalan ng mga estudyante ko sa isang box. So, sa isang box na yon, magkakaroon kami ng recitation. So, bubunot ako ng pangalan. Ang tawag doon ay simple random sampling. Ang ibang tao, tawag nila is lottery sampling. Sa cluster sample naman, ito yung mga, pag sabing cluster, ito yung naka-identify na sila, naka-group na sila. So, pipili na lang ako. Halimbawa, ayun nga, halimbawa yung Barangay Santa Maria. Ang Barangay Santa Maria ay may 20 streets. So, dun sa 20 streets na yon, ang kailangan ko lang ay 10 streets. So, pipili ako ng 10 streets. Di ba naka-group na sila? Sa street 1, may mga grupo ng tao dyan. Street 2, may mga grupo ng tao. So, naka-group na sila. So, ang gagawin ko na lang, bubunot na lang ako ng kung ilan yung target ko. So, kung 10 yan, ayan. So, ang tawag doon ay cluster sample. So, pag sabi random sample, gaya ng sinabi ko, it is the most commonly used sampling techniques. It is a procedure where every element of population is given an equal chance of being selected as a member of the sample. So, for as long as member ka ng sample, meron kang chance na mabunot, no? Doon sa halimbawa na yung gaya nung sabi kong example is nasa box siya. So, yung pangalan ng mga estudyante ay nasa box. So, halimbawa, nandoon yung pangalan mo. So, as long as nandoon yung pangalan mo, ikaw ay maaring maselect or mabunot. Kapag convenient sample, it is a sample that is chosen so that it is easy for the researcher to collect data. So, gaya ng sabi ko nga, convenience, kung saan mas convenient yung lugar. Halimbawa, may nasa ibang bansa ka, tapos ang target mo, mga Filipino people, mga Filipino, no? Na gusto mong malaman yung kanilang, halimbawa meron ka lang pinag-aaralan tungkol sa mga Pilipino sa ibang bansa. So ngayon, maghahanap ka ng isang spot, no, na kung saan karamihan ng mga Pilipino kapag weekends pumupunta doon. So like let's say park. So doon ka pupunta sa convenience sample ng tawag doon. Cluster sample. It is a sample that consists of items in a group such as neighborhood or a household. That group may be at random. So, yan ang sabi ko, pag sabing cluster sample, naka-cluster na sila. Naka-group na sila, may kanya-kanyang group na sila na ginawa noon pa, matagal na. So, parang pumasok ka lang doon sa lugar na yon. Then, pipili ka na lang kung alin doon yung mga gagawin mong sample. Okay. Now, let's continue with the line graph. So, there are different types of graph. Meron tayong line graph, population graph, bar graph, no? So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, line graph. So, meron tayong sample ng line graph dito. Meron tayong number of push-ups at saka days of week. So, meron tayong Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, sa Sunday, naka 4 yata na push-ups lang siya. Monday, naka 10. Tuesday naka 5, Wednesday naka ano to, 10 ba to? And then Thursday is let's say 14 kasi hindi siya swak sa ano. Then Friday let's say 16 kasi hindi din siya swak dun sa line. Saturday naka 21 for example kasi hindi din siya swak sa line. So, what two quantities are being considered in the line graph? So, ano yung dalawang quantity na pinag-uusapan natin sa line graph? Ito yung number of push-ups at saka number days of the week. Tapos sabi, when did the highest push-ups perform? So, kailan daw? So, na-perform ang highest push-up noong Saturday. O, kailan naman yung pinaka-lowest na na-perform? So, nakikita ko dito is Sunday. So, Sunday is the lowest. Which day show the same number of push-up unperformed? Perform, I'm sorry. So, alin daw dyan yung pareho silang performance. So, sa nakikita ko, ang pareho lang is Wednesday at saka Monday. Pareho silang 10. No, meron pa ba? So, wala na. So, Monday and Wednesday are the same. So, ganun lang mag-analyze ng graph. Okay? So, that's line graph. This one is what we call the bar graph. Okay? Ang tawag dyan, bar graph. So, meron tayong, ano to, students' favorite juice. Ayan. Students' favorite juices. So, number of students, ang quantity natin, tsaka juices. So, usually, juice nila is strawberry, orange, lemon, and grape. So, nakikita natin mas mataas yung mga gusto na mga number of students na gusto ang lemon. Tapos, pinaka-konti si strawberry. Okay, tapos student vote for fruits naman, to favorite fruit. And the number of students, no? So their favorite fruit is apple, bananas, grapes, oranges, pears, and strawberries. Ang pinakamadami is apple. Pinakakonti yung pears. So let's answer this. So doon tayo sa based on the students' favorite juices. Ito 'yan, di ba? What does the graph tells you? So anong sinasabi ng graph? So, ibig sabihin na pinaka-favorite nila is yung lemon at yung ayaw nila masyado is strawberry. So, which is the most favorite among the juices? So, obviously, the lemon kasi siya may pinakamataas na number of students na may gusto. Na the least favorite juice. So, that's the strawberry kasi dalawang number of students lang siya. Okay? Next naman is the circle graph. Ang ibang tawag sa circle graph ay pie graph. So, si Johnson, family budget, ito yung family budget ni Johnson. Sa food, 33%, sa miscellaneous, 21%, sa clothes, 15%, ano to, savings, 6%, tsaka renta, siguro renta sa bahay, 25%. So, answer the following. Okay. So, dito tayo sa, mamaya yan, yung table, no? Which two items count for the greatest expenses? Anong dalawang item daw yung may pinakamataas na expenses? Sa nakikita ko, yung 25%, tsaka yung 33%, which is the food and the rent. So, what percent is the budget spent siguro to for food? So, for food, meron tayong 33%. What percent of the budget is saved? Nasa yung savings? Ito, so 6% lang. If the monthly budget amounts to 20,000, sabi niya 20,000, how much is spent for each item? Napaka ano naman pala. Determine the measure of each sector of the circle representing each item in terms of degree. Multiply each rate by 360, then the measure of, sabi niya, 1 full degree. Okay, so let's see. Wala siyang answer. So, sige, let's answer na lang. So, if we will multiply, ayan, 20,000 to 33%, ano yung, no, miscellaneous muna, no? So, miscellaneous 21%. So, as we all know, pag sabing 21%, that is equivalent to 0.21, tama? Kasi mag-move ka ng 2 decimal places going to the left. So, what is the 21% of 20,000 pesos? So, i-multiply mo lang yung 20,000 times 0.21. So, the answer is 4,200. So, for this portion, 4,200 ang answer natin. How about for the clothes? Can you answer it for me? Ano yung answer natin sa clothes? If that is 15%, that's 0.15. So, 20,000 times 0.15 or 0.15 is 3,000. So, sa clothes, ang magagastos nila is 3,000. No, hindi ko alam kung ano yung family budget na to every time siguro bumibili sila ng clothes. Anyway, for the savings, ayan pinakakonti ang savings. Ang savings nila is 6% lamang, that's 0.06, tama? Kapag nag-move ka ng 2 decimal places, ang equivalent ng 6% is 0.06. So kung multiply mo siya ng 20,000 times 0.06, ano yung makukuha mo? Tama, no? That's 1,200. Sa rent is, nasan? 25%. So that is 20,000 times 0.25. That's 5,000. So sa renta, 5,000 yung gastos nila. Okay? And finally, for the food, that's 33%. So, 20,000 times 0.33. So, 6,600 yung total is expenses nila. Pagdating sa food, actually, konti na to, no? Kasi iba, mas grabe pang mag-spend ng food. Now, kung i-add mo lahat yan, magkano kaya tama kaya ang answer natin? Dapat 20,000 yung total. Okay, sige, let's see. Can you please add this for me? Ano yung makukuha mo? And then let's compare my answer. Nakuha na ba? So, 4,200 plus 3,000 plus 1,200 plus 5,000. Is that 5,000? I think that's 5,000, no? Kulang yata ng 0. Plus 6,600. So, the answer is 20,000. So, tama. Okay, dun sa number 5, determine the measure of each sector of the circle representing each item in terms of degree. Multiply each weight, sabi niya, by 360. So, yung weight daw, itong mga to, multiply mo siya ng 360 to measure the one full degree. So, multiply lang natin. So, halimbawa, sa miscellaneous, 360 times 0.21. So, the answer is 75.6, no? 75.6. Ayan. How about the next one? Clothes. So, that is 360 times 0.15, right? So, that's 54. Dapat ang total natin is 360. And then, for the savings, that's 360 times 0.06. And that's equal to 21.6. Okay? Nakakasunod ba? Now, how about the rent? For the rent, that 25%, so that is 0.25. The answer is 90. And finally, for the food, that's 360 times 0.33%. I mean, 0.33. So the answer is 118.8. And now, ang gagawin lang dyan is, ito total mo lang para tignan natin kung 360 yung makukuha. So we have 75.6 plus 54 plus 21.6 plus 90 plus 118.8. Tama ba? Okay, so the total is 360. You can check it. You're using your own calculator so that you will know if our answer is correct. Okay? And finally, for the picture graph or pictograph, ayan. Usually, picture graph ginagamit kapag sobrang dami ng population. Halimbawa dito, dahil madami yung apple, so each apple representing 10 apples. Tapos pag 5 apple lang siya, kalahating apple lang yung nakalagay. Okay, so halimbawa, variety of apples in food. So sa Red Delicious, meron tayong tatlong apples, which is equivalent to times 10, that's 30. Golden Delicious, Red Rome, Macintosh yata, Macintosh, Jonathan. Okay, ito yung mga variety of apples in a food store. So answer the following. Number one, what does the picture graph tell you? So the picture graph tells us the number of or apples per variety, no? Then number two, what does each whole apple fruit represent? Half apple fruit represent. So yung whole apple representing 10 apples. Yung half apple representing 5 apples. So three, estimate the value of apple in the food store as shown by the graph. So dun sa food store, ito yon, no? So, gaano karami kaya yung mga apples na yon? So, kung bibilangin natin, yung buo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14 times 10, 140. And then, meron tayong dalawang kalahati, that's 10. Diba? 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 140. The answer is 150 apples. Yun nasa loob ng food store. So, which of the apple has many stalks? So, as very naman obvious, red Rome is the monopoly or yung may pinakamaraming variety of apple, no? Kasi meron siyang apat, which is equivalent to 40 apples, red Rome. So that's all about our lesson the for the topic Introduction to Statistics, the origin and development, importance of and use types of statistics, different types of graphs. With that, thank you very much for your listening.